You'll see servers on the left, channels in the middle, and chat on the right side. That makes it super easy to jump in without needing to relearn everything. And after signing up, you can either join an existing server using an invite link or create your own server. When creating one, you'll be able to set up text channels, organize categories, and manage roles just like you would on Discord. The UI also includes some extra features like favorites and bookmarks, which help you quickly access important channels or messages. Now, if you are using desktop, you can download the Fluxer desktop client for better performance. Right now, there's no official mobile app, but you can install it as a progressive web app directly from your mobile browser. That way, it behaves almost like a native app on your phone. Now, for those who care about privacy, Fluxer is based in the EU, which means it follows stricter privacy regulations. And if you want maximum control, you can even self host your own instance of Fluxer for better performance and full privacy control. Fluxer also offers a premium tier called Plutonium, as you can see right over here, which works similarly to Nitro on Discord. So it adds extra perks and features, and there's even a lifetime visionary option if you want to support the platform long term. And if you're a developer who has built bots for Discord before, good news. Fluxer's API is designed to be very similar, so porting your bots over shouldn't be too complicated. And that's basically how you get started with Fluxer. Sign up, join or create servers, customize your space, and explore the features. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!